Hello everyone, myself Darshan Lakde and I am here for to present our project in Proto Civil subject with my teammates and these are my teammates.
Hello everyone, myself Parth Kumar from ENTC branch, second year, and the group is PA3.
Hello everyone, myself Aditya Kadam from ENTC SOIV Tech. I am from PA3 batch.
Hello everyone, I am Shiv Matale from ENTC SYB Tech batch PA3.
Hello, my name is Ishan Patil from SY Tech ENTC department.
Hello everyone, my name is Sarthak Putte, ENTC SOBTech, and our batch is PA3.
So our PA3 batch was assigned with the bamboo ladder to provide support to the bamboo hut which our entire batch is planning to do. We have selected bamboo as our product as it is very strong and it is have a very significant importance in our culture and it will also boost the economy. So we have choose the bamboo and we have tested in various conditions just like tensile test, joint test, and the stress test. And here in this presentation, we are going to learn about advantages, disadvantages, and the product analysis and all other stuff for the any bamboo product and in its value in our culture. So the further part will be continued by my another group mate.
So the advantages of bamboos are it also strong, tensile, and provides strength to the structure and temperature maintenance. And bamboo huts does not produce heat and it warm in winter and cool in summer. The texture of bamboo has the function of absorbing ultraviolet rays, and the color is elegant, soft and warm, which is quite attractive in appearance. Bamboo itself has a function of sound absorption, sound insulation, lowering sound, and pressure of shortening the residual time. And the disadvantages are it will crack by environmental influences. And the second point is the bamboos stand most likely get affected by the mildew and insects such as worms, and the structure can get easily scratched, and the ladder comes with less structural efficiency.
For the objective, our main objective of the product is to develop in a keep to the development keeping in view of the market demand by by assisting the entrepreneurship and the business models and the small amount and medium levels of the bigger industries to promote the skill development, capacity buildings, awareness generation for the development of bamboos and awareness of bamboo sector from the product of market demand to religion the efforts, so we reduce the dependency on the import of bamboo and bamboo products by way of the improve productivity and suitability to on the domestic raw material, and bamboo is also useful for our baking buildings. So now hand over to Shivamat.
Thank you, Aditya. Now also we make a fish mount to our for our ladder. This is our main part of our ladder, and this fish mouth is making by using our DNS drill machine. That first we need to set and one angle to cut the fish mouth. When we cut this, these structures occur. These structures helps us to fix our ladder part. That's why the our ladder is fixes, and also we tested our bamboo which will sufficient which have a sufficient amount of which can hand over the. Thank you.
So now, how many feet bamboos are required and how many fish mouth will be required will be explained by Darshan.
Get one bamboo in 6 different pieces of the 1 feet to make the strips of the bamboo and two bamboo in the 7 feet to the support to as a support as a stand for the bamboo, and then we have attached that ladder into a frame which have been designed by the other group. So the further part will be continued by Ishan.
So now we know fish mouth is the main component of our product, which is ladder. So for this, we required 6 fish mouth. But going forward, to make the fish mouth, we firstly need to test it. So we need to carry two bamboo test. Uh, uh, so we know that tensile strength of bamboo is quite high, but its benefit has not been exploited optimally because bamboo structural members are often connected to each other by conventional methods, making the joints very weak. So, a method of joining bamboo members with bolt, like example, bolt, steel gauge plates, and cement mortar or wood filling was tested. The strength of the joint was tested using a steel-loaded frame and a hydraulic jack. So now I will show you the hydraulic jack. Uh, so you can see like this, the hydraulic jack is there, and it tests the bamboo strength. So you can see in these images. So, so the first one was fish mouth joint, and the second image was joint testing. Means it tested the joint of the fish mouth. So like this, we firstly tested one fish mouth, and then made all the remaining 5 fish mouth of the same height and of the same length. Um, so the second test was bending test of bamboo. Bend testing means sometimes called flexure testing or transverse beam testing measures the behaviors of material subjected to simple beam loading. It is commonly preferred on flexible materials such as polymers, woods, and composites. Uh, in a 3-point test, the area of uniform stress is quite small and concentrated under the central loading point. In a 4-point test, the area of uniform stress exists between the inner span loading points, typically half of the length of the outer span, means outer span of the bamboo. So, now you can see this was the bending test of the bamboo, which we carried in the applied mechanics lab. So you can see this is the bending test of the bamboo. Cost estimation will be explained by Sarkar.
Point is cost analysis, which involves direct cost and indirect cost. So in direct cost, the cost of raw material, that is bamboo, we required 3 bamboos to make the ladder. So the approx cost of one bamboo is 100 rupees. So it total makes 300 rupees. Then labor cost. So we required 5 skilled labor, and it requires approx 5 hours to complete that ladder, and the wages of labor is rupees 50 per hour. So total labor cost becomes 1250 rupees. So the next are machines. So it involves chop saw, hand drill, grinder, hammer, chisel, and some testing machines. So in this table, the cost and number of days it has been used, it is shown. So its total becomes 700 rupees. Then indirect cost includes electricity cost. So approx 25 units is consumed during production of ladder, and the cost of 1 unit is rupees 9. So total electricity cost becomes 225 rupees. If we add direct cost and indirect cost, total cost becomes 2,500 rupees. The cost analysis done above is done with approximation. So actual cost of production in this ladder may depend on the market scenario. So the next point is result, and it will continue by Ishan.
From making this ladder, we find some difficulties, like not finding the correct key.
So this is our result after testing various things and arranging our kits and build. We have successfully built our ladder with the bamboo. And in this process, it was a very fun and exciting to make a bamboo ladder, which will be used in making bamboo hut. In this process, we learned various uses and the interesting fact about bamboo. So the conclusion will be told by my another teammate. Please.
Thank you, Darshan. Conclusion. Bamboo is an excellent source of our production, promoting our green living by using bamboo based products. Finally, bamboo is an eco-friendly, renewable natural material. When it connects with society, culture, and with economic development for the region, it become a truly sustainable, eco-friendly, renewable resource. That is what above mentioned experiment and design method bring it in this country, and it growth our economy. Design is very strong to such kind of economic growth through a system. Okay, thank you.
So yes, it was very fun and exciting to learn this subject. It was first time we means handled the tool of various like cutter, drill machine, and all that. And it was a very good guidance given by me, Sitaram sir. We learned various things about bamboo, and we now have developed some interest in this bamboo. And I think we can really boost Indian economy with the help of bamboo, because I think it is our means Indian means it is our Indian growth means India grow larger bamboos whereas compared to all other countries. So yes, it was very exciting to learn this civil proto subject.
So with this, all we conclude our session, and we hope that you really enjoyed and learned something about the bamboos from this lecture, and I hope you will boost the uses of the bamboo in your daily life. So thank you. We are ending our meeting here.